Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So we're actually here and I'm gonna go hang out. Actually, I'm gonna take a friend of mine shopping, for what else? Makeup, right? Because that's my thing. So if you want to see what look I create, you already know what to do. Fun watching. Okay, so let's start. I'm gonna do something real quick. You know what's crazy is so my husband did this whole setup for me, and then today it's not working. So now I just kind of have to wing it, right? And I'm spoiled because now I can't see my stuff on my. Okay, whatever. So let's keep it going. So I'm actually gonna use this palette right here. This is from Makeup Shack. I haven't used this in like years. Not sure if it even still good. And it's the Majestic palette. And yeah, let's just jump into it. So I'm gonna go into Sangria. And I'm just gonna put this all over my lid. Sangria is this shade right here. Oh, and then this brush is an E30 from Morphe. Okay, I don't know why I keep using the E brushes. I think they discontinue everything from that line, or if they got rid of it and then they're coming back with something else to kind of replace it. I don't know. I really haven't been buying too much stuff from Morphe lately, to be honest, because like there's so many different makeup brands out there. I think that's kind of on the same level with Morphe, if not better, and then so much cheaper. So oh, that's a shimmer, yeah. So I'm gonna try to like do something. I don't even know what's happening here. Now I remember why I didn't like this palette. I mean, it's okay, but the blending is not that great. Not that good. So this is a Y204 from Plain Makeup by Yolondo. I have no makeup on here and I'm just gonna use this. So just gonna blend the edges of this. I'm really gonna try to make this look just nice and easy. Nice, easy, and quick. This brush is like a big chunky brush, and I think it's perfect for when you're just trying to like pack on shadows like all over your lid, like this. And just keep packing it on. And then back to that brush that has no shadow on there, and then we just keep going. Okay, so now I'm gonna take this brush. This is E13 from Morphe. I don't want to go too crazy with this because this is so powdery. This is kind of like a shimmer. It's called Ivory, and I'm just gonna put this like all over my lid. Like so. Like this. I'm not doing anything too crazy. So that's it. So I'm gonna go off camera. I'm gonna do my other eye and I'll be right back. Hi guys, so we are back and time to talk about this foundation. So today we're gonna talk about, it's from Beauty Creations and it is the Flawless Stay Foundation, and it said it is medium to full coverage and the regular 1 fluid ounce. Let's give her a whirl. I don't know, man, today is not my day. I'm just trying to make this work. So it comes in a little component like this. It's glass, which is pretty nice, I think. So Let's give it a shake. And I like the bottle, it looks all luxe. Oh, and today for my primer I'm using the Insta-Grip Jelly Primer from Dermablend Professional. Please don't fall down. I need it. Okay. So let us shake, 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 shake. Let's see if this matches me. I still feel like this is a little bit light, but... Oh, and this brush is from Artis. Take off my earrings. And then I'm gonna use my One Size concealer. I haven't used this concealer in a little bit. This concealer does dry up a little fast, so I wouldn't leave it like for too long. Where is the cover for this? Which I have lost. I now found it. And I'm gonna use my cutter from Back Opal. Actually, I haven't used this in a minute. Haven't used it in a minute. And then I'm gonna use this brush. It's an E44 from Morphe. I'm just gonna bring this up my jaw. And just, you know, keep on blending it. This blends so well too. So well. Okay, now let's drink some water. And then find my concealer brush, which is my slick brush from Plain Makeup by Yolondo. And I'm just gonna go ahead and blend this. And I have to be careful because last time I'm like, I just keep passing this in my brow. And just bring this down. It's like I can't see it right here. I keep having to look up here. This is so funny. How, you know, like one thing can just like throw you off, you know? That one thing. Then I'm just gonna go back in with my brush that I use for my contour and then just kind of blend this. So it doesn't look too crazy. So I'm gonna actually let me blend this out a little bit just to make sure there's no creasing or as least creasing as possible. And then I'm just gonna take my number 1 brush for powder from Charlotte Tilbury, and I'm just gonna put a little bit of this here. Just a little bit. And now I'm gonna set the rest of my face with my micro smooth powder from Sephora. And this brush, it is the Destination brush from Plain Makeup by Yolondo. I feel like this powder doesn't make my face as dry, which can be good and not good, because then it makes your other stuff tacky, which is no bueno. Okay, I do want a little bit of my Laura Mercier powder I'm just gonna reset this. And that is it. I feel like when I use that powder from Charlotte Tilbury, I don't have to go too crazy. I can just go light. And let us jump into some contour or some bronzer. To bronze my face today, I'm going to use my MAC Skin Rich Golden Skin Finish. And then let us... So I'm going to use this brush. This is the Eventail Pro Demi Fan Brush from Sephora. And I'm just going to put a little bit. I gotta get it together with my recording, because whenever like one thing doesn't go like how I'm used to, then it's like it just throws me off my game, man. Cheese with that jawbone, make it look like, you know, you didn't eat that cheesecake. I need to tightline my waterline, and I'm gonna use my Urban Decay Legend. So for blush today, I'm actually gonna use this blush. This is from Laura Geller, and it is the Bake Blush and Brighten, and it is the Tropic Hues. And I'm gonna put a little bit of highlighter, nothing crazy, because I feel like this blush is already like highlighting. So for lips, I'm gonna go ahead and use 3 or 4 from it's Pure Color Envy Liquid Matte Lipstick. It's Quiet Riot, and this is from Estee Lauder, but I need a lip liner. Maybe this might work. This is from Buxom, and it is Stakeout. And then I'm gonna use this part of the brush and just blend out the edges. And let's go in with Miss Quiet Riot. Okay, so let us set the face. So I'm gonna use my actually no, this is too hefty for today. I'm gonna use this. This is from Skindinavia, and it is the Bridal Setting Spray. Whew. This is a lot. Okay, so that's it, guys, for this video. I know the look is kind of, you know, simple, but I wanted to leave it kind of, you know, cute and simple, since, you know, I'm literally just going to Ulta, maybe Sephora, so nothing too crazy. So that's it, guys, for this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, join the family, and you know what, I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.